In this video series, we will discuss how Bitcoin hardware wallets work and also implement a very simple one on the real hardware on the developer boards from ST Microelectronics. We will use MicroPython and we will communicate to the board using Jupyter Notebook. But if you don't have a real hardware, you can still follow the material of this video series and use online simulator or the simulator that runs on Mac or Linux. We'll discuss how to generate the initial entropy, how to convert it into the seed and HD wallets, how to display this entropy in a human-readable form as a recovery phrase. Then we will talk about addresses and implement a very simple GUI where we will display address as a QR code and also navigate between the addresses. And finally, we will talk about partially signed Bitcoin transaction format and what hardware wallet needs to verify in order to be secure. In particular, how to sign, how to detect the change, what change output should be considered as a change and what not. And finally, we will get to the real PSBT transaction, sign it, finalize it using Bitcoin Core, and broadcast it. After this course, you can continue by building either your own hardware wallet or you can contribute to Spectre DIY and air-gapped hardware wallet that uses QR codes for signing and communication.